Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I want to show you how to answer. So number 3 multiply by this one and this one. Next, we divide both sides by y squared. Next, we have 1 over y. First derivative of y over y squared. So this is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we change by v. This one we change by negative first derivative of v. Next, we divide both sides by negative 3s. Next, we have v and first derivative of v. This is about linear differential equation. So I will put about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative 1 over s next to v. This is for integrating factor. And we have negative L and S. Later that negative sign will go inside about natural law in here. This one we simplify and we have S to the power of negative number 1. So that means we multiply both sides by 1 over s. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in here we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one we have v over s. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to f and s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to the s over s. dv that is about the s over s squared. The integration of this one, we have v equal to negative 1 over s. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so negative and negative, we have positive, and then we have the integration 1 over s squared ds. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over s, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. About v, that is about 1 over y. We have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 1, y equals to number 3. So we put number 1 and number 3 on here. So this one, we have 1 over 3. This one we have 1 over 3. So that means c equals to number 0. And then we put number 0 on here. I need to put the negative sign here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.